Hello everyone, welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I know the weather is gorgeous in the Midwest where I am. I am going to make something very, very quick and easy for anyone to do any day of the week. Your children will love this recipe, ladies and gentlemen. If I can get this pack of hot dogs open, we are going to make curly hot dog fries. Y'all heard me. Curly hot dog fries. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to do. And you can make as little or as many as you like. Your kids will love this recipe, ladies and gentlemen. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next video upload. Take out 4 for right now. And what I'm going to do is slice them. Let me put this on this side so you can actually see. I'm going to slice them in half. And just get a small knife, ladies and gentlemen. I saw this recipe and I had to share it with you because I think it is a winner. What we're going to do is just take it and poke it straight in the center. We're going to do each one just like that. Now, I wanted to zoom in just a little bit further so you can actually see what I'm doing. You're going to start from the top here, and all you're going to do is just turn your screwer, and you're just going to come across like this until you get that French fry design, okay? Now, start there. And we're just going to turn. I'm at a different angle, y'all. Just turn it. Keep turning. That's why I have a very small knife. Until you have that type of effect. That's what we're looking for. Now you can make these small or you can make them large curly fries. I'm gonna choose to make some small and some will be large, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we have our frying pan. We're just gonna add a little bit of grease. About like that, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna turn this on number 5. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our grease is warm. Now, you're gonna need a large frying pan, okay? And we're gonna push these all the way to the top. And we're just gonna place them in there. So we're gonna let this cook until it's nice and brown on all sides. So once I return, these will be done and we'll be ready to sample it. See you back shortly. Look how that's turning. That nice brown color. Oh, this is going to be delicious. This would be perfect, y'all, for an afternoon snack for the kids. Something different, out of the box. Instead of just plain old hot dogs and french fries, guess what? Make this recipe for your children, y'all. Y'all gonna love it. I'm telling you, you're gonna love this recipe. And when it's brown to your liking, you can take it out. I like mine a little crispy. So I'm gonna continue to cook mine on number 5 until they are to my liking. See you back shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our last batch. As you see, I did pull the screwers off of these that are done. You can see the curliness of them. Yes, Jesus. Yes, y'all. We're just gonna let these continue to brown until they're all done. Meanwhile, I'm gonna start plating those up. That's about to my liking, ladies and gentlemen. Well, here is our finished product, ladies and gentlemen. We have our curly hot dog fries. Now, I did do the whole pack of hot dogs, so you see it's not a whole lot because they're gonna shrink down per se. So I would like to thank you for watching this short video. I appreciate your time. Like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Share. We're almost to our next milestone of 5,000 subscribers. We can do it, ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next video upload. I hope y'all go ahead and make this recipe. It is so inexpensive and it is quick and easy to make. God bless you. I will see you on the next video.